Welcome to SumatoSoft. I'm Julia. At SumatoSoft, we are proud of developing innovative healthcare solutions that enhance patient care and improve health outcomes. Today, we are going to talk about an exciting project we worked on here at SumatoSoft, a real-time glucose monitoring app. This app helps people with diabetes keep track of their sugar levels easily and effectively. Our client, a North American healthcare technology firm, came to us with a challenge. They needed a simple, reliable way for people to monitor their blood glucose levels on their phones. They had a sensor, an innovative device different from the usual glucometers. It is embedded under the skin into the patient's arm and continuously monitors their blood glucose level. The client understood the necessity of a user-friendly mobile application to make their product truly market-ready. So they sought our expertise in IoT to bridge this critical gap. They wanted an app that could provide real-time data, personalized health tips, and keep all the information safe. Let's explore the key features of the application. Real-time data syncing. The app connects to glucose meters and mobile phones, showing users their blood sugar levels instantly. Personalized health tips. Based on the data, the app gives users advice to help them manage their diabetes better. Secure data storage. All health information is stored securely, so users don't have to worry about their privacy. Easy-to-use interface. The app is designed to be simple and user-friendly, so anyone can use it without any trouble. Let's see the app in action. Users can quickly check their blood sugar levels, look at past readings, and get alerts if something needs attention. The app's dashboard gives a clear overview of their health, making it easier to stay on top of their diabetes. Creating this app was a team effort. We followed Agile Scrum methodology to ensure an iterative process and meet all clients' and end users' requirements. Here is how we did it. Understanding needs. We discussed and noted with the client all the details to understand what they wanted the app to do. We call this discovery phase. Design and prototyping. We made sketches and early versions of the app to see how it would look and work. Building the app. Our developers used the latest technologies to create a strong and reliable app. Testing. We tested the app thoroughly to make sure it works well and is safe to use. Designed with the user in mind, the app is packed with functionalities that makes managing diabetes simpler and more effective. Let's take a closer look at what it offers. User interface and experience. We made sure the app is easy to use and navigate. Our design helps users find and use the app's features quickly, encouraging them to use it regularly. Real-time monitoring and data visualization. The app keeps track of blood sugar levels all the time and shows the data in simple charts and tables. Users can see their blood sugar changes over different periods – hourly, daily, monthly, and yearly, making it easier to understand trends and make informed decisions. Cross-platform availability. The app works on both Android and iOS devices, so more people can use it regardless of their phone type. Alert mechanisms. We set up automatic notifications that alert users when their blood sugar levels are too high or too low. This feature helps users take timely action like administering insulin to manage their health better. HIPAA compliance and data security. We made sure the app meets strict security standards, so all user data is encrypted and stored safely. This ensures users' privacy is protected. Onboarding and support. We included an easy-to-follow tutorial and a frequently asked questions section in the app. These resources help new users get started and answer common questions without needing to contact customer service. The real-time glucose monitoring app has made a big difference for users. Better health management. People can track their blood sugar levels more easily and make informed decisions about their health. User engagement. The app is easy to use, encouraging people to use it regularly. Data security. Users can trust that their health information is protected and private. As a result of cooperation with us, the client received the fully functional application ready to be presented to the market. At SumatoSoft, we are dedicated to making healthcare better with smart technology. The real-time glucose monitoring app is just one example of how we can help. If you want to learn more about this project or have any questions, please visit our website or contact us. Thank you for joining us for this case study overview. Stay tuned for more interesting cases.